Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for air sign Gemini for the month of November, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see. First card, Gemini, for the reading. Wow, Ace of Swords, King of Swords. Lot of air energy. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and again Ten of Swords, air energy. Yeah, something truth coming out, and some endings between both of you and your new person. For some there are chances for new beginning between both of you. Some communication, definitely some here the communication plays key role. Communication is the key, and one person in this connection feeling like this. Ten of Swords, definitely for some it is completed between both of you. For some new beginnings between both of you, because one person approached the other person to express their feelings. Communication, Ace of Swords. Definitely one person in this connection is very honest, straightforwarded, and committed. I think it's you, Gemini. Definitely. So let's see some more messages. Wow, the Fool. Yeah, some new beginnings in your life or your person's life. Energy could be vice versa. Two of Swords, lot of air energy, and the Hanged Woman. Yeah, maybe one person in this connection right now stuck. I think it could be your person, energy could be vice versa, but one person is very going with the flow, living in the present moment. I think it's you, Gemini, but your person may be stuck. And Two of Swords, yeah, they have to make decision because there are some crossroads. They don't know which decision they has to make because they are stuck right now and they are spiritual awakening. Eight of Wands, Six of Swords, Hierophant. Yeah, this could be long distance relationship. Yeah, Eight of Wands, communication, back and forth communication. Definitely some communication is going to be happening between both of you. Yeah, one person want to clear things between both of you. Six of Swords, moving towards calm waters, and the Hierophant. I think there are some communication going between both of you for the commitment issues. Yes, the Hierophant is here. So let's pull some more. Ten of Wands, energy could be vice versa. King of Cups and Knight of Wands. Yeah, one person is very passionate about the other person, and King of Cups, there are a lot of emotions for the other person. But Ten of Wands, at the same time they are feeling very burdened. They want this connection, at the same time they are feeling very burdened. Lot of fire energy. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Definitely King of Cups, lot of emotions are there. I think you have lot of emotions for your person, Gemini, but still you are feeling very burdened. Energy could be vice versa. And Knight of Wands, definitely one person in this connection is in and out. It could be you or your person. I think that is the main issue. For some there is new beginnings already started or are going to be started. For some the cycles between both of you are going to be end. But some communication, some clarity is coming between both of you regarding what happened between both of you. Yes, the Fool energy, definitely one person living in the present moment and going with the flow. It could be you or your person. So let's see your person current feelings and action, then we will get more clarity. Your person current feelings towards you. Wow, first card popped up, the Sun, and the second card, Ten of Wands. I think it's your person feeling very burdened. Three of Swords. Yeah, I think for some there is separation between both of you. Your person feeling very burdened and they are heartbroken right now. For some it could be third party situation, some children's involved. Definitely they are feeling very burdened right now due to their career or whatever work, but emotionally also they are very they are bleeding. Definitely see here, Three of Swords. And the Sun, definitely they want some positive change in their life. They want some positive change. The Sun card is here. For some children's also involved in this connection due to third party. You may be married or your person may be married, and one person in this connection have child or you both have child. Definitely there are some issues, and this connection causing lot of deception, lot of pain, and their near future actions towards you, Gemini. Yeah, Eight of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, the Tower. I think your person may be right now working on their self, on their career. Definitely, that's why they're feeling very burdened. I think still they have strong emotions for you. Now they are working towards their career. For some they want to work on this relationship, but first they have to work on self before coming towards you. Because 8 to 9, definitely they are working on self right now. Gemini, your person working on, and the Tower moment, definitely it is the Tower moment for them, for the separation between both of you. You are not talking. For some there is less contact between both of you. Definitely your person feeling some Tower moment, because 3 of Swords with Tower moment. Yeah, they are very burdened, and I think they are very, very negative energy right now. That's why they are working on their self. 8 of Pentacles to 9 of Pentacles. Yeah, they want to take their power back, and they want to stand stable and emotionally and financially independent. They want to stand. That's why they are working on their self, and they are feeling very, very burdened. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Lot of cards. Seven of Pentacles, the Magician. Two more cards. Okay, 3 of Pentacles and 6 of Pentacles. Yeah, there is no equal give and take in this connection, but now and there is no collaboration also between both of you. That's why there is no equal give and take. When two persons equally invest in any connection, that definitely that connection will grow. But one person invest more but another person invest less, definitely there will be some Tower moments, and some insecurities, some deception is also going to be happen. But right now you both want to collaborate on this connection. You both want to equal give and take in this connection, and one person also invest in this connection more than the other person. It could be your person energy, could be vice versa. And the Magician, definitely I think one person in Fool energy and the Magician energy, they want to manifest their person back, or they want to manifest something new in their life. What they are wishing for, definitely that wish will be granted. Definitely one person in this connection is, I think it's you, Gemini. Definitely you are in some manifesting energy, but right now your person are facing heartbreak and they are bleeding right now. I think I am thinking that it's not your person in Fool energy. I think it's you or in Fool energy right now. Yeah, definitely your person want to offer equal give and take, and you also want partnership with your person. 7 of Pentacles, definitely you are waiting for your person to come towards you, because you already invested in this. So energy could be vice versa. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Gemini. 8 of Swords. Okay, 5 of Wands, and the third card, Queen of Pentacles. I think you also stuck at some moment, for a moment, definitely, but later you feel you will become the Fool energy after the stuckness. And 5 of Wands, definitely there is some disturbances between both of you. Queen of Pentacles, you are very sharing, giving, and the one person who put a lot of effort in this connection is you, Gemini, definitely. But after the disagreements you are becoming like this, but this is not permanent energy. Definitely the Fool energy is there. You will become out of this, then you will become in Fool energy, and that Fool energy is very, very positive energy for you, Gemini. But at some point you are stuck. 8 of Swords. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your person current energy for the week. King of Pentacles, Knight of Cups, and 10 of Cups. Lot of earth and water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, and Scorpio. Definitely they want to offer commitment to you and stability. And Knight of Cups, they have strong emotions for you. They will come towards you, but it is very, very slow moving energy. At the end of the day, definitely they want this happiness with you. 10 of Cups, happy family, children. Definitely they want this whole thing with you, Gemini. Yes, they are coming back and they want to work on this relationship. If they in past, if there is no equal give and take, this time they want to offer equal give and take. But after they want to work on this. First they want to work on their self, definitely, then they will come towards you, because they want to stand their power. They want to stand by their power, then they will come towards you. before they will not, because they want to work on their self. Definitely they are very committed this time. For some, definitely your person want to come towards you, and they want to work on this connection this time very seriously. They want partnership with you. They want to offer equal give and take. So take what resonate to your situation. So this is the reading for you, Gemini. Hope it resonate to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel, and please do support me and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Bye.